All right, I talked about Tesla stock over 5 years ago, and I wanted to answer the question that I see sometimes, which is Tesla still worth the investment, or is the hype over? Let's break it down. So let's sort of get real about Tesla, okay? It's been the golden child of the EV world, but with all the hype surrounding it, is it actually a solid investment? And first off, I want to talk about the downsides. Tesla stock took a hit in 2022. I don't know if you remember this, but it dropped over 40%. Also, competition is heating up, although it's not very good, but there's money going towards it. Companies like Ford, GM, Chinese giants like BYD, and even startups are pouring billions into EVs. And Elon Musk's attention is kind of split between, Twitter, SpaceX, Neuralink. Not a really great look for investors who expect him to be laser focused on Tesla's growth. Luckily, he's not the main driver of the company anymore, and in fact, I don't think he ever was. But let's also talk about potential. Tesla is still selling more electric cars than anyone else. Over 1.3 million in 2023, and in 2024, it's gonna be more. And here's the big one, full self-driving. And it's not just that, it's taxis. If Tesla nails autonomous driving and it gets it to full scale, we're talking about dominating a $3 trillion plus market, and in fact, upwards of a $10 to $20 trillion market by the time it's fully rolled out. This isn't just about cars and me going to the grocery store. It's about transforming transportation of people and goods across the Americas and maybe the world as we know it. With everything moving smoothly, I expect a compounded annual growth rate of around 15 to 25%. Now, if everything moves better than that, it could repeat its last 14 years of CAGR of 40%. Is Tesla still worth it? Honestly, even though it's a pretty established company at this point and it's reaching all-time highs, in terms of opportunity cost, it's still a high risk, high reward stock. And in my opinion, over, the 10, 20, maybe 30 year mark, it might have room to grow. But again, always do your own research, and as always, follow along for more content like this. Peace.